Hi everyone, it's Rachel from Daily Creations. In this video, I will be using the Burst Shimmer Adhesive Vinyl. In this bundle set, you get black, you get elegant red, you get blue, Christmas green, and brilliant purple. These are just beautiful colors, and just look how they shimmer. And that's just with the wrapping on. It comes in 5 feet by 12 inches, so you get a lot to craft with. And in this video, we're going to be making a little sign for my daughter who is about to turn 3, and we're going to be using the entire set. So just sit back and relax, and let's go ahead and make a cute little craft decor. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on this cute little decor for my daughter's 3rd birthday. And I decided just to use the black, green, red, and the elegant purple. So that's black, that's Christmas green, this is brilliant red, and then elegant purple. And look at these colors. I am so excited. So what we're gonna do is kind of create a little own kind of a vinyl style, if you will. I've done this in a previous video, so but I'm excited to go ahead and bring it back to this little sign that I'm making for my daughter's 3rd birthday. So let's go ahead. I already got it lined up. So what I did is I kind of divided the height by 4 colors, and I think I might be a little bit over here, but that's all right. It's a repetitive color. All right, so let's go ahead and run this through the Cricut machine and start the weeding process. Okay, so I'm going to be using premium vinyl permanent glossy setting. All right, let's go ahead and put that in the machine and let it do its thing. Perfect, really quick and easy. Let's unload the mat. And then before we actually take this off, we don't want to take this off. What we want to do is weed on the mat. So I'm going to go ahead and use my weeding tool. Okay, perfect. So you can kind of see the cute little thing that I have going on here. It kind of created its own style of vinyl. So I got to use all 4 colors, and I just think it's awesome. Okay, so we got a little air bubble, that's all right. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and transfer this, and then we can cut our last vinyl. And then we're going to really scrape that down. Now we can't scrape the back, right, because it's on a mat. So we want to make sure that we apply enough pressure that it will transfer. And my experience has been really good with the teckwrap's transfer tape. It transfers really well, especially with this particular vinyl. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. And I'm going to make sure that the vinyl, or the backer, is still on my sheet here, because I don't want to reveal this just yet, because we still got to cut our last one. And I'm going to go ahead and remove, or try to get these air bubbles out of here so that way it doesn't ruin my project. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on here, and then we will peel it back when we're ready to transfer it onto our blank. Let's go ahead and put on our vinyl here. All right, so once again, I'm using the permanent glossy setting, and this time I'm going to do more pressure because I felt that the default pressure wasn't quite good enough. I mean, it worked, but I just want to make sure that I have enough pressure on there. Okay, so let me go ahead and feed that in through my machine, and then it's going to read the size and then start cutting. Okay, I will unload my machine now that it cut all of that out. And of course, we're done with this, so I can go ahead and move this away. And then once again, flipping my mat back, peeling the mat back, not the material. Now here's the fun part, at least the fun part for me. I absolutely love the weeding process. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like to either watch people weed or like weeding yourself. I really do like it. I don't like the small details, although with the teckwrap's vinyl, now that I'm using it quite often, I gotta say, I don't mind it. It does a really good job. And I added more pressure to this, and I think that is really good setting for it. Again, it didn't weed that badly in the normal setting, but I just think this did a little bit better of a job than the normal pressure. Okay, so that got weeded out. And you know how you can tell what's a good vinyl and what's not a good vinyl is if the dots to your eyes stay there. And look at it, stayed perfectly. So that is a true testament to if you could tell if it's a good vinyl or if it's bad vinyl. And it does. And I've done 2 other videos with smaller designs, and it did a really good job. So I can tell you that this vinyl is really good. Okay, and then what I'll do is I will weed out the middle here. Now, you can try to save this and add it to something else. In fact, I think I might go ahead and do that. So I'm going to leave this to the side, and once I transfer everything, that's when I'll go ahead and put it back on this carrier sheet. So let me go ahead and flip it over and move that out of the way here. All right, let's go ahead and get my transfer tape. In fact, actually, what we can do is transfer this next. Well, no, I don't want to transfer this because I don't want to use this transfer tape. So let me go ahead and just peel this back and cut transfer tape to size. Okay, now that I got my transfer tape on the decal here, I'm going to scrape the front and, of course, the back. Always do both just to ensure that the vinyl transfers really well. Okay, before I do anything, I'm going to keep that 3. I'm going to put it on my carrier sheet here like so, and I will use this for a different project. I mean, why not? Let's not waste it. This is beautiful black shimmer vinyl. I'm sure I could figure something out for her birthday. Okay, so what we'll do is we will place this on here like so and get this centered. Scrape that down. And it just says Little Miss 3-nager because let me tell you, she is 3 going on 13. She is definitely Little Miss Boss. And she earns it honestly. All right. Perfection. I am loving this. Okay, oh, just love that shimmer. Now we will bring in our 3. And I'm just removing the backer. Perfect. Okay, let's bring this in. Looks good. Let's go ahead and peel the transfer tape back, just going slowly to make sure it doesn't rip up any of my paint. And also, of course, the vinyl. Very good. And I think this is going to go perfectly for my Threesta theme. So there we go. This is just going to sit somewhere on her birthday and just be part of the everyday decor. I think I absolutely love it. And that shimmer, you guys, this vinyl, even though to me it's just screaming for Christmas, I can't wait to craft with it Christmas, it's very versatile, and I think that you guys can use it for your summer crafts or even crafts like this for your little kids. All right, well, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my channel, Daily Creations, and I hope that you enjoy this. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.